I want to talk about, because we're talking about relationships with clients.
Yep.
So how has your practice used technology to improve relationships with clients? Wow, that was kind of a tongue twister.
So, I mean, I guess technology, it's a good question because what falls under the technology umbrella? And I guess I would defer to you. So, when you were talking about clients and wanting to go and, there's definitely, I think, a more immediacy now than previous. And so when you were talking about the attorneys who didn't reach out, trying to get a client or something like that, look, when everybody's just going and researching and everybody looks great, when you go and look on Google and everything, how do you distinguish one person from another? If you don't get to that call, they're just power dialing to the next person. So from the sales perspective, I mean, I try to be literally immediate or follow up literally within 5 to 10 minutes as soon as I go and get the message. So on that perspective, just understanding how important it is, oh my gosh, it's everything. Because literally, if you don't answer, they're calling somebody else, and that's money that's out of your pocket and in somebody else's. And quite frankly, again, we've got a big firm, a lot of stuff has to happen, and I'm pretty competitive. And I don't want that to happen. So, on me, whenever. And you have to be willing to take those calls whenever, quite frankly. And so anybody who knows me, my friends and family and everything, sometimes I'll be somewhere. If I see a call come in, I have to excuse myself and take it. And fortunately, the people that are close to me just understand what it takes to be me and be in this business and go and do what I do at the level I do it. So I'm very grateful for that. From just when you actually have a client in technology. For us, we were early adopters in the respect that most attorneys didn't go and give clients their cell phone numbers. And we've done that, and I've required that from the associate attorneys that work for me since the beginning, because I really do try to be accessible. And if you looked at our business cards, our cell phone numbers are actually on our business cards. So we really care about that. If you consider text messaging a part of technology, everybody goes and texts nowadays. And so in terms of being able to go and answer someone's questions or concerns, certainly you have to be an adoptee to that. The attorneys, including myself, are all in our 30s, 40s, so that's not an issue. But one of the things that I try to do to mitigate, and I tell clients, and it's from our representation email through the initial text message. I send them a text with all of mine and the other attorney. There are usually 2 attorneys that work on a case, me and another attorney. The other attorneys are in court day to day, but we communicate on the cases and strategy. So I'm able to go and talk to them. Also with our customer relations management software, all of the discovery and everything is in there, so I can go and pull anything. They can go and make notes on the case in real time, and they do every single day. So I know exactly what's going on with the case, as well as the paralegals. So they're real-time update, which is great. So if they have a question or concern and they can't get a hold of that attorney, they can call me or text me, and they do. And generally speaking, they're able to go and reach one of us in a fairly short period of time. And we always try to go and follow up same day. Used to be business standard was 48 hours. Then I think it sort of shrunk to 24 hours. And for us, again, just being mindful of the immediacy and sort of how things have changed and expectations have changed. Now it's same day.